evening sa inyo dyan. Siyempre, babatiin muna namin yung my birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Bert. At ang dalangin namin siyempre, birthday mo ay nadagdagan na ang buhay mo at ikaw ay magiging malakas. At sa tulong ng Panginoon, ma-renew ang iyong health. Ikaw, ano?
Papa Bert, happy birthday po. Hindi, ang wish po namin para sa birthday mo ay complete healing at ma-overcome din po lahat ng mga medical process na gagawin ka. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Bert. Hari na magkita-kita na tayo. Balita ko, uwi kayo eh. Mas masaya pag nakita-kita tayo ulit. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Papa Bert.
Happy birthday, Tito Bert. Magaling po kayo at mabilis na recovery.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Hi, Kuya Bert. Si Abby to. Happy birthday. I wish you a very happy birthday. Alam ko, si Lord nandyan lagi sa tabi mo yan. Kasi alam naman ni Lord how much you love Him. Phil also wants to extend his birthday greetings to you. May you have a memorable birthday. May you be happy being around family. Love you, Kuya Bert. Bye.
Hello po, ako po si Chewy. Happy 80th birthday, Papa Bert. Praying that God continues to give you strength, peace, and comfort each day. His love around you and bring you healing and calm. Thank you for being such a blessing to our family. Sa pagpapatawa at pagpapasaya, sa maraming songs that you sang for us and with us, sa paglibre sa pamasahe sa jeep noong high school pa po ako, at pagsabay sa akin sa owner nyo papunta sa UP Diliman, sa pag-share sa akin ng mani habang nakapila tayo sa jeepney terminal sa Novaliches. Thank you so much, Papa Bert, for being such a blessing to our family. Know that we always keep you in our prayers. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. We love you.
Hello po, Tito Bert. Si Bubong po. Kakantahin ko po yung isa sa mga paborito niyong kanta. Ako'y anak ng dalita at tigib ng luha, ang naritong humihibik na bigyan ng awa. Buksan mo ang langit at kusa mong pakinggan ang aking ligalig sa kapagdaramdam. Ay kung hindi ka maaaba sa lungkot kong dinaranas, puso't diwang nabibihat, sa dilim masasadlak. Magtanong ka taglay kong dalita sa dilim ng gabi, aking nilalamay, tanging larawan mo ang nagiging ilaw. Kung ikaw ay maimbing sa gitna ng dilim, ang iyong ihulog, puso mo sa akin. Tanging larawan mo ang nagiging ilaw. Ang iyong ihulog, puso mo sa akin. Ang iyong ihulog, ang iyong ihulog, buhay, pag-asa, pag-asa. Love you, Tito Bird. Happy birthday po.
Happy 80th birthday, Papa Bird! We love you!
Happy birthday po, Tito Bird. Pagaling po kayo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lolo Bird. Happy birthday, Lolo Bird. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lolo Bird. We love you.
Happy birthday, Brother Bert. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Brother Bird. May you have many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday.
Hello, Tito Bert. Kumusta na kayo? Ako si Emily. Ang iyong ang iyong inisponsoran ng tinulungan para maging active dito sa simbahan. Happy birthday! Sana mabuhay ka pa ng matagal. Love na love ka namin. Love na love kita. Kayo ni Tita Ani. I love you. Happy birthday.
Kuya Bert, happy birthday! Ako pala si Nining na taga Riverside.
Malabo.
Sana magpagaling ka dyan. Makapuwi ka pa rito sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday, Kuya Bert!
Hi Kuya Bert, it's me NC. Thank you kay Lord sa buhay na kaloob sa iyo. Today is your birthday, so I'm sending you my greetings for a happy birthday. Love you Kuya Bert. Enjoy your day, and regards kay Ate Ani. Mula sa pamayanan ng Our Lady of Lazaret, they are extending their birthday greetings to you for a happy birthday. Best wishes. God bless. We all love you and miss you so much. Love. Love you, Kuya Bird, and regards kay Ate Anne.
birthday, Tito Bert. Kamusta ka na? Kilala mo pa ba ako? O nga para si Malu, yung katikista sa Lourdes. Doon tayo magkakasama, nagka-choir. Tapos pupunta ako palagi sa inyo sa Lasalet. Ikaw, birthday mo bukas. Advance happy birthday, Tito Bert. Wish you good health, more birthdays to come, at enjoy your day. God bless. Bye.
Magandang araw po, Tito Bert. Ako si China mula sa pamayanan ng Nuestra Señora de la Paz y Buen Viaje na nasasakupan po ng Epiphany of the Lord Parish. Kabilang din po ako sa Corpus Eternum Christi Choir. Tito Bert, maligayang 80 kaarawan sa iyo. Nawa, lumakas pa ang iyong pangangatawan, humaba pa ang iyong buhay, at lagi kang maging masaya at malusog. Nami-miss ka na namin, Tito Bert, ang masasaya mong shows. Sana makabisita ka ulit dito sa Epiphany. We miss you. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Lola Bert. Thank you for the endless love, wisdom, and all the sacrifices you've made to our family. Your life is a beautiful legacy. Happy birthday, Lola Bert. We love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Bert. We love you. And we are forever be grateful that you were our Lolo and we are your apples. Love you, Lolo.
Happy birthday po, Lolo Bert. Mag-iingat po kayo lagi ni Lola Ani po dyan. God bless po. Patuloy na kagalingan ang patuloy namin pinagpipray po sa inyo. Ingat po palagi. Love you po.
Happy birthday, Lola Bert. Happy birthday, Lola Bert. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola Bert. Happy birthday, Lola Bert. Happy birthday, Lola Bert. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola Bert. Happy birthday, Lola Bert. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Lolo. Get well soon.
Happy birthday, Papa. I love you sa inyo ni Mami. Maraming salamat po sa lahat.
Happy birthday po, Lolo. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Lolo. Get well soon po. Happy birthday po, Lolo. Get well soon po. Okay, wow. Okay, wow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We love you, Lola Bert. Get well soon. I hug you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Wish to see you soon. We love you. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lolo. Hi, Lolo. I wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Hi, Lolo. Happy birthday. Enjoy this day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Love you. Miss you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Lolo Bert. Lolo, thank you for everything. We wish you more birthdays to come, and we pray that you be stronger every day and surpass these challenges that we have right now.
And we pray that you'll always remember us. We love you, Lolo.
We love you po, Lolo Bert.
Happy birthday, Papa. My biggest prayer today is for your strength, comfort, and steady healing. Thanks for everything. I love you, Papa.
Happy birthday, Papa. I love you very much.
Happy birthday, Lolo. I love you. I love you. Please don't be sick. I love you. I love you, Lolo. I sweet Lolo. You make me happy. And I feel sad. It never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my Lolo away. I love you, Lolo. Lolo, please, I'll give you a lot of gifts and give you a lot of coins to your precious bloods. Please, I love you so much, Lolo. I love you, Lolo, so much. So much. Please don't be sick forever. Only be better because I won't let you go to be sick, because I want you to be home and go to your house, and I draw everything that you want. It's your precious blood. Please don't be sick, okay, Lolo?